thinking right about here. Here. Yeah. Yep. Sure. Looks good to me.
How big is it going to be, like the circumference? Or
that looks
diameter?
so messed up. I need to take this cover off.
Like diameter? That's literally the size?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Okay.
I'm concerned now.
Why?
I saw this before. Now I'm looking closer at it.
What?
Look at the O-ring.
Oh my gosh, what? What
Yeah.
is that?
Well, that's probably the O-ring seal. It's supposed to seal
Why is
this.
it sealed?
Because someone installed it, and look at it. Someone was stupid.
Let me see.
And whoever installed this did that.
What kit is this again?
A crappy one. Stupid people.
Who are the stupid people, Joey?
Probably Taiwanese children.
Jeez.
You could probably show this picture on video. I don't know if you can see that, but that's the O-ring. It's supposed to be down in this groove the whole way down here. Whenever someone installed it, popped up, and then they tightened it down, so now they probably ruined the O-ring. Mm-hmm. Totally not sealed at all. That'd be a boost leak right there. All right. Well, we're taking this apart.
What'd you say?
FYI, do not get this kit if you don't know how to do things. A lot of different things.
The kit.
I didn't say it.
I remember it's going to be a running joke where I bleep it.
Blank. Oh, I didn't know you were doing that.
Yeah, that's why I keep saying it all the time.
Even though you can clearly see like their logo and some of this stuff. It's funny.
We didn't say it.
But we didn't say it. So
It's bleeped out.
All right, so I just found an issue with this. So one of these housing bolts goes the whole way through to the, I don't know all the technical terms for all this, but the chamber that's going to be pressurized. And it was not sealed in any way. So that's definitely like a boost leak waiting to happen right there. And that one as well, because that one's partially, half the hole basically goes the whole way through. The rest are fine because they don't go through. They're not through holes.
Yeah, you can see it there.
Yeah, so these two definitely need sealed. So I'm glad I took this apart. And now that we took this off, you can see the problem. So you can see right here, this was pinched, and this is exactly how it was put together, right like that. So, yep, huge boost leak right there.
Oh, wow, that's actually damaged.
Yeah, like I thought, yeah. So, I think, I'm going to try to reuse it. And also use RTV in addition to this. And then I think we'll be okay.
This Mustang is going to be made out of RTV.
Yep.
I mean, that's kind of their instructions anyway.
RTV everything.
RTV, the
Take your turbo apart because we don't know how to put the gasket on.
Yeah.
Step one.
Alright,
So I'm going to put this back together with the gasket and with RTV. I'm cleaning the oil off so that the RTV can stick to things. I mean, I've literally never even taken the turbo apart, but I could tell that was not right. And I don't know exactly the right way to do this, but I would say it's probably by putting that on there like that and then putting this on carefully. You should be good to go. You literally had to be rushing.
What does careful mean? Because they don't know. So.
Slowly and not in China. Truth hurts. So I'm going to leave this pretty much on the inside. And then I'm going to just put this around the outside and hoping for the best here.
So much hate.
Look at that bead though.
You can't do it like that. You have to leave that on the, and then put that on.
No, that's how you mess up the O-ring because it falls off then.
Then what, are you going to flip both?
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Okay, all right.
Yeah, I think that'll be fine. Here we go. Let's just point down. Yeah, looks good. Here we go, here we go.
This is where they messed up. Come on.
This is where they missed.
Got him.
Easy.
Got him good.
So that should be down. This should be up. Drain should be good.
No.
So these are like this.
Yeah. Some extra turbo prep stuff.
This is like step like 1A.
Yeah.
And you only go to step 1A if you bought a crappy Chinese turbo. That's how you go to step 1A. First, center punch, hole. Why did I not do this when this was off? That was the perfect time to do this. You just had a flat part.
Oh my
chilling
gosh,
right
anyway. Acting like now.
Because I was like, oh, well, it'd be nice to take this off to do it, but I won't worry about it. And then I took it off anyway, and then I didn't do it then. It's gonna catch all the chips. Maybe. Alright. Going for it. This is it. It's 11:30 seconds. That's right.
Hopefully it's right. A little bit more when it loud. Look at the tape method.
Dang, dude. Oh man, it's like I know what I'm doing.
On point. Are you an engineer?
No.
Oh yeah. The tape method. You can order this tape at jshoe.com/warehouse. Use promo code Ingenuity. Oh wow, look at it.
That's good. Tape method.
Dang, that's crazy.
Yeah, not many chips are in there.
I think my paper towel method was a little better than yours. But...
Oh, okay.
Well, there's none. Okay. All right.
Gotta be a professional job because we're professionals here. Look at that.
Yeah, I got the shot, dude.
Look at that.
With different threads.
Oh, that would suck. Maybe.
Oh, that's snug.
Yeah, it's good.
All right, follow his second channel, Joey Vlogs, and tomorrow we're going to Walmart.
I'm putting the gasket on the drain, and then the thing on the thing.
That rhymed.
That's tight. That's tight there, right there. All right.
And you said this didn't need pipe tape.
This did not need pipe tape because there was an O-ring on there. Yes. That was not screwed together yet, so they could not screw it up.
Hey.
All right.
Freaking done.
Flip it. Somehow.
Bang this all over
There we
creation. There we go.
This is the feed. Oh, it's at an angle. Cool. Let me think about. Well, it could come either way. Like if it's coming this way, that's like a lot of line to put somewhere. I was thinking it could go up, kind of like this, and just route it, and then have it like that. Is that dumb?
You can't have it going up at all, though. Remember, it's going up. It's gravity. So.
This is the feed.
Oh yeah.
What are you talking about?
You know what? It's hot in here. I'm sweating. I'm a little lightheaded.
It has to go up. It's coming from down there.
Yeah, you know what?
I don't know what you're talking about. Anyway.
You know what? I won't help you again. How
So
about
this
that?
way or this way?
No, I like the way you had it.
This way?
Yeah, no, the other way.
Yeah, this way.
Yeah. That'll look way more clean.
Probably be chilling like that. Yeah. All right. So that means face it that way. Actually, it'll be like that. All right. Put it on this way. All right, so turbo's ready to go.